क्या सुनना चाहते हो? टाइम की कदर ही नहीं है, बिल्कुल टाइम की कदर नहीं है. Like if I have the option between दारू and गाली, though both are close to me, but गाली सुनना ज़्यादा बेटर मैं प्रेफर करूँगा. लिवर तो नहीं खराब होगा. My name is Hemant. I am basically from Agra. Like when I was 2 years old, I came to Delhi. Then I did all my schooling and education from Delhi only. After my MBA from Great Lakes, so I joined as a management trainee in Marito in way back around like May 2021. At the time of my post graduation, I was not very sure what type of job or what type of work culture I would be working upon. However, in the Marito, I got an opportunity. Like at the front side of the work, I actually interacted with the client, wherein I try to understand what is their requirement and everything like that. So as a management trainee, I never thought of that this would be the roller coaster ride. Like I have been to, I remember those days wherein I really don't have the knowledge. Like there was an escalation coming over my head, like what needs to be done, what more I can do further. Like with the time I got that learning in the Marito, like even whatever the situation is, you have to stay calm and deliver best out of you. I'm not like, I really don't care about the result. I just wanted to experiment, then try it out whether it works or not. And the same personifies my like work also. Like we really don't know our product was successful or not. We try, and after product release, after the product goes on production, we try to analyze it actually works or not. In the same manner, I personify, like I love to do new things. At the same point of a time, when I used to get a free time, like every weekend I used to get, I like to do parties, I like traveling. I'm a bit of an adventurous person, wherein like I used to go on a trekking with the strangers, then like to explore hidden places and all like that. इनिशियल डेज में इट वॉज अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर मी. लाइक मेरे को काम देते थे, सब होता था, और मेरे पास इतना प्रेशर हो जाता था, मेरे को ऐसा लगता क्या करना है, कैसे करूँ कैसे नहीं करूँ, मैं कर पाऊँगा या नहीं कर पाऊँगा, मैं इसमें गिर जाऊँ. बट विद द टाइम अब ये होता है कि काम आए, यू हैव टू एक्चुअली प्लान थिंग्स, कि प्रायोरिटाइज करना पड़ता है कि ए क्या है, सबसे पहले मैं ये करूँगा P0, फिर P1 करूँगा, P2 करूँगा, P3 करूँगा. आप नेगेटिव चीज़ें सुनोगे, यू आर गेटिंग नेगेटिव इन योर माइंड. इससे बेटर है उनको सुनो मत, एक शील्ड बना लो, डॉज कर दो, उसको आने मत दो अपने दिमाग में, सुनो भी मत, और पॉजिटिव चीज़ें सुनोगे. आई बिलीव कि उससे ज़्यादा पॉजिटिविटी कहीं नहीं मिलती है. यही था मेरे एंड से. और कुछ जानना चाहते हो मेरे बारे में? मीटिंग है ब्रो, जाना पड़ेगा. चलो बाय बाय. अरे बस एक मिनट भाई, दिवाली आ रही है, तो आप सभी को भी हैप्पी दिवाली. हैप्पी दिवाली.